Curious about the benefits of drinking water on an empty stomach? Our bodies are 60 to 70% water, essential for survival. We lose water through various processes, especially in summer, and overnight dehydration occurs since we don't drink for 6 to 9 hours. Rehydrating in the morning helps maintain blood circulation, flush out toxins, lubricate the body, and regulate temperature. Benefits of drinking water on an empty stomach. 1. Cleanses the body. Drinking water on an empty stomach is suitable for natural cleaning, and it removes all the harmful toxins from our bodies. Drinking enough water detoxifies the body and promotes blood circulation that is good for overall health and keeps you hydrated and energetic all day. 2. Aids weight loss. People concerned about weight loss must drink 3 to 5 glasses of lukewarm water on an empty stomach. Many researchers have shown that drinking water cuts extra body fat and increases metabolism naturally. Some people believe that cold water will also work, but we must inform you that our tract needs extra energy to consume cold water and bring it to an average temperature, which is a waste of energy. 3. Provoke metabolism. A good metabolism is crucial for overall health, aiding in weight loss, digestion, and maintaining a healthy appetite. Studies show that drinking water on an empty stomach can boost metabolism by more than 30%, which is beneficial for weight loss and improving digestive health. 4. Cut out excess calories. Drinking water before breakfast can reduce the intake of extra calories. That's why experts suggest drinking it before breakfast, and do not eat anything for 30 to 45 minutes after drinking water. 5. Boost immunity. Drinking water is a natural process to boost immunity. A healthy and strong immune system is required to fight various infections. Drinking water can kick out unwanted bacteria through urine and enhance immunity. 6. Good for skin and hair. Dehydration can make your skin and hair dry and rough. You've probably heard that drinking plenty of water is essential for healthy, glowing skin. Drinking water on an empty stomach helps regulate blood circulation and hydrate your skin. Dry skin can lead to premature graying and early signs of aging, so increasing your water intake is crucial for flawless skin and shiny, strong hair. 7. Reduces anxiety and stress. The experiments showed drastic results about mental performance that affected by drinking water. People drinking water on an empty stomach were more centered and calm than no drinkers. Drinking enough water enhances the oxygen level in the body, reduces stress level, improves concentration level, and decreases brain fog. You can perform better and stay stress-free the whole day. 8. Treat headache. Thousands of people suffer from chronic headaches without any particular reason, and we must tell you that dehydration or lack of water in the body can cause headaches. Drinking water fulfills the lack of oxygen and improves blood circulation, which relieves headaches and migraines. 9. Cure chronic constipation. One common morning issue that can spoil your entire day is constipation. Drinking lukewarm water on an empty stomach helps stimulate bowel movements and clear the intestines. Regularly drinking enough water can treat chronic constipation. Some experts believe that drinking water stored overnight in a copper utensil can provide lasting relief from constipation. 10. Improve digestion. Digestion can be imbalanced by several reasons like poor eating habits, wrong living style, lack of drinking water, etc. Drinking lukewarm water helps to break out the food substance into small particles and remove toxins. Drinking water also eliminates lack of appetite, bloating, acidity, and heaviness of the stomach. 11. Helpful to cure kidney stones. People with kidney stones are advised to drink more water than the normal amount because water helps acid dilution and breaks down the stone naturally. Drink 4 to 6 glasses of water on an empty stomach and drink plenty of water for whole days. You can add some lemon juice and drink it. It also reduces bladder infection and inflammation.